All these years, all this time, I've been a victim of my mind. Thinking high, sinking low, no matter where I've tried to go. All that hurt, all that strain, churning a worry hurricane. Counting the hours, down on my knees, feeding those old anxieties. I can't die knowing that I spent my entire life tunneling down, but never found the key. Ghost in me. Do you realize what you're doing?
Do you realize
as it goes with any worry at any time or anywhere? To overthink is to ruin. Ghost in me. Do you realize what you've done?
you are no fun, no fair?
Even though it seems you're almost there, anytime or anywhere, you're never helping anyone. It feels like such a sin, doubting you. There's no such thing as sin. If I give up, forever give in. I spend the rest of time trying to win, but I am dying free, flying free. Ghost in me. OCD. Do you realize I've been hurting?
Don't care
Whether on the town or home alone, you appear, your cover's blown, and I can't get a word in. Ghost in me.
OCD.
Can't you see that I'm in pain? Though you promise me you'll move along anytime, anywhere, you're always back to haunt my brain. Want you awaken. Oh, you keep taking and taking. We break Ghost in me.
Day after day,
Think of all the time you're wasting,
you get in our way.
and whenever
You have interfered at any time or anywhere. You spoiled all you tasted. Whoa. from